Hi students, we're basic information that you may need as you are going about creating a Glog. To start out, your teacher, or in this case me, has supplied you with a username and password. First site that you will go to in order to start editing your Glog or your online poster, edu.glogster.com. And I'm zooming in on that website for you now. Again, it's edu.glogster.com. Now after doing that, I have supplied you with your nickname or Glogster username. So I'm going to pretend that I am making a Glog on the colony of Georgia. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my teacher's supplied username and my teacher supplied password. Now I may have a menu that pops up asking me if I want to remember the password. I just hit accept. And now it's going to log me into my account. Now as you log into your account, it will show you a few different things. First of all, it will show you your name. So this name for this account is Georgia, as set up by my teacher, and you can see your teacher's name here. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the screen, it would show me if I had already created any Glogs. Well, you can see that there are no Glogs there. Nothing has been created quite yet. So if I want to create a new Glog here, I can click on the link that says create a Glog now. So I'm going to start that. And the first step here, I want to give my Glog a title. Again, we're just going to go through some of the basic information needed to create a Glog. So the first thing that it's going to ask you to do is to name your Glog. Now it may come up with a template here as well, something that's already been created. So Glog name at the top of the screen, I can adjust that information, and I want to name this My Glog About Georgia. Okay, and if I click off of there, I then can go down to the main screen. Now the nice thing about this online poster site is that everything can be edited, so you can change anything you want. Now if you don't want anything that's already on the main screen, you can just click on the little trash icon and it gets rid of it for you. So if I want to clear everything off, I can click on the little trash icon. Now a couple basic things. First of all, to insert any type of graphic, all I have to do is click on graphics, and then I have several different options. I can insert one of these graphics. I can, on the left side of the screen, there's all different types of categories. And let's say I really want this push pin in my presentation. If I select it and then click on use it, a push pin will come up. So then I can put that anywhere I want. If I want to copy it, I can click on the clone button, and a new one just popped up right next to it. So then I have two push pins. Okay, if I want to add text, I can just click on the text menu. Again, I have all kinds of different options. If I want to call out, if I want to just put some basic text, I can click on basic. And let's just pretend that I'm doing that right now. I just want a basic piece of text. So I can click on that and then click use it. And that went into my presentation. And then just like a Word document or a word processing document, to edit it, I just select it and click on edit, and then I can type in my information here. And I hit OK, and now I have this text. But let's say I want to edit this text. I don't like the font size or perhaps the color of this font. I can click on this little button right here, which brings up a menu that allows me to change the font type, the font size. I can make it bigger here, or perhaps I want to change the color of it. So then I can change that, and as you can see, the changes have been reflected there. So that's adding text to your document. I can also add an image. Now Glogster has some preloaded images that you are able to use, or if I wanted to upload an image, I could click on upload, and it's just like attaching to an email. I find that file and then upload it. But I'm going to use one that I've already uploaded, this picture here of peaches. And then I click on use it. And then just like the text, that should appear in my Glog. And there we have it. That is now inserted into my Glog. I can move these around. I can change the tilt on it to whatever degree tilt I would want. So let's say I really want that here. And to go in and insert a video, I have a few options. I can insert a link to a YouTube video and put that YouTube video, almost embedding that into this poster. Or if I wanted to record my own video or upload a video, I could do that here. Same thing with sound. If I wanted to record a sound, perhaps me talking about the colony of Georgia, I could do that here as well. Now if I really want to change my background, I can change wall. Now there's two black backgrounds on this screen. There's the background on the left, which is the page wall, and then there's also this background, which is the Glog wall. So you have the ability, again, just like everything else, to go through and change that. So that's a quick introduction on Glogster. And one important thing to remember, whenever you are done editing, make sure you click on Save or Publish, and then you'll have an option to select whether or not you are done with it.